Let's be break it and right here. So, the US and European governments have labeled Huawei a security risk, a charge the company denies. Since then, Huawei has only sold limited batches of the 5G models using the stockpiled chips. I'm talking about a brand which once battled with Apple and Samsung to be the world's biggest handset maker. After that, US restrictions cut its access to chip-making tools essential for producing its most advanced models. And from now till today, Huawei is launching its flagship models only in 4G, due to which Huawei fell from the top rankings worldwide to the bottom of the chart. However, the company is slowly getting back to the track, and now it seems Huawei is trying to solve the biggest problem of its smartphones, which is 5G. So yeah, according to the latest reports via Reuters and Huawei Central, Huawei is preparing to regain 5G access with its upcoming smartphones. So according to the information, Huawei will bring back the 5G smartphones late this year using the chipset solutions produced inside China. Well, this achievement is combined with Huawei's own advances in semiconductor design and Semiconductor Manufacturing International Company (SMIC). I know you are wondering, SMIC also faces US barriers to access various semiconductor technologies. However, analysis believes that SMIC will be able to print new chipsets by tweaking some of its technologies. So basically, Huawei now has its own EDA tools, aka Electronic Design Automation, for chips above 40nm technology. The report cites that SMIC will use Huawei's EDA tools in order to print the N+1 chipset, which is equivalent to a 7nm node. In simple words though, Huawei is the one which is doing the 50% work, and SMIC will convert this work to 7nm node and will make a chipset for Huawei which will have 5G embedded. Also, I want to include one thing, that the leaks and rumors of 5G Huawei phones is knocking our doors since January this year. However, this report seems quite a big input to keep us excited, as this is a report which is from an insider working in Huawei. And yeah, if Huawei chooses to bring back 5G in its smartphones ecosystem, then it would be possible that the upcoming Huawei Mate 60 series might have it first. So let's see what's gonna happen, as I'm really excited after getting this leak. So what do you think about this amazing news? Well, if you like it, then a sub to the channel would be an amazing reward for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.